Hey everybody, what's going on? Concrete Barber here, and I'm going to share you the biggest thing that got me to be a successful barber. It's this book right here, Be a $100,000 Hair Cutter. And I look forward to taking you through this book, chapter by chapter. Let's get into it. June 21st, day 172. The first day we're starting, because hey, it's where we started, it's where it is. Good guys wear white. You can't cut what you can't see. Better hair cutters cut hair in a white shirt or jacket. This shirt is not a piece of clothing as much as it is a high contrast, high visibility hair cutting backdrop. Using your mirror and using your chair properly puts you in a position to use your upper body as a helpful tool in hair cutting. Assessing taper, contour, silhouette, and outline, perspective yields better haircuts. Sometimes the view is hampered. Rotating your body so that the client's head is positioned between the mirror and your white-clad shoulders reveals a stark contrast in any imperfections in the shape of the cut. Use your shirt or backdrop to make yourself a better hair cutter in a snap. Hey, that's a very helpful tip, hair cutters. Here's a good example. I'm wearing this dark green shirt. If I've got a dark green person in front of me, there's not much contrast. What I did, I picked up this apron that I wear that allows me to have that contrast. I'm doing a haircut here and I need to see behind. I can use the mirror this way. And then I also at time to time come behind the mirror and stand and look, and I can see that contrast in the mirror. For me, the other ways I use, I've got these light colored walls behind me, and I'm able to look in the mirror and use that light colored wall to see that contour and that shape of that haircut. Hey, I hope that helps. Good guys wear white. June 21st, longest day of the year, and our day one of the $100,000 hair cutter. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll take care. See you later.